Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you one beautiful high protein food how to make at home by yourself by following this video. First, take one bowl of groundnut, that is peanut, and fry it until the color of the peanut gets like this. So it will take some 2 to 3 minutes to do like this. After that, crush all the groundnuts that was fried like this and peel off all the and filter it. So after peeling and filter the groundnut peanut, it will come like this. Once it is done, so now crush the jaggery of bowl. That is because you have taken one bowl of groundnuts, no, you have to take half bowl of jaggery. So crush it like this. After crushing, once again measure half cup of jaggery and half cup of jaggery and 1 cup of groundnut, crushed groundnuts. So like this, take 1 bowl groundnut and half bowl jaggery. So now put the bowl on the stove and add jaggery in the bowl and add some little bit of water and switch on the stove. So you have to boil like this. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to do like this. While doing that, you have to check whether it is suitable to do the peanut candy or peanut balls. So you have to check like this by pouring the jaggery juice into the water and take it in the hands and do like this. So you will come to know it is suitable for to add the groundnut peanuts. So once it gets like this, you have to do until it gets like this. Once it gets like this, now you have to add the ghee to that. So now add some ghee, whatever your requirements. You can add, that is badam or cashew nut or pista, you can add for extra ingredients. Now add groundnuts. So and mix it well properly. Don't waste the time. Mix it fastly, otherwise it will get hard. So once you mixed well, so please take a bowl, not a bowl, it's a plate, flat plate, and put it on that flat plate like this. So just after 1 or 2 minutes, take a knife and cut it like this and keep it outside. After 1 or 2 hours, it will look like this. So please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.